this car sounds amazing. Not only that, but it looks so good with its all blacked out appearance, and it is fast too. As a matter of fact, this M5 is packing 800 horsepower under the hood. Do you guys want to see it in action? Me too! First challenger is a 911 Turbo S. Well, that was close, but the M5 took the win. Oh, next is a race against the smaller brother, the M3 competition. Wow, that was not a surprise. Who's next? Looks like an Audi R8 V10. Wow, not even close. Looks like the Japanese are also trying to get a piece. Let's see if the RCF has a chance. Nope, the 800 horsepower monster still wins. Maybe the AMG division has a chance with this E63 AMG. Never mind. Looks like it was sleeping on the line. Am I seeing double? Let's see if only another M5 can beat this monster. Yeah, I think it needs more power first. Look at that beauty! An M3 CS Touring. Wish we had one of those in America. Well, didn't expect that to happen, but that M3 Touring is fast. The 800 horsepower M5 did really great. What do you guys think?